we are doing My English Reader Chapter Tale of a Tale back exercises. पिछले वीडियो में हमने ये पूरा चैप्टर विद एक्सप्लेनेशन समझा था, विद एक्सप्लेनेशन इन हिंदी. आई होप आपको समझ आ गया होगा. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट इट्स बैक एक्सरसाइजेस. Swaminathan has many friends. Complete the web chart by filling the names of all his friends that you have read about in the lesson. So इसके आंसर्स हैं स्वामीनाथन के कौन कौन से फ्रेंड थे. इसमें आपको फर्स्ट लेटर दिए हुए हैं हेल्प के लिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. पीस, मनी, सोमू, राजम एंड शंकर, इन सबके नेम आपको चैप्टर में दिख जाएंगे. B4. हु सेड दिस वर्ड्स टू whom? सर प्लीज लेट अस गो आउट. ये किसने कहा था? सोमू ने कहा था तमिल टीचर से. व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद यू यू लिटिल रोग्स? मनी ने कहा था स्वामीनाथन, पी एंड शंकर से. नो आई डिडंट, यू, ये पी ने कहा था स्वामीनाथन से. दे कॉल मी राजम स्टेल, ये किसने कहा था? ये स्वामीनाथन ने कहा था मनी से. ही पी रोड टेल बिग टेल ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड, ये स्वामीनाथन ने कहा था मनी से. इससे हमारा B4 भी खत्म हो रहा है. B5. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग लेटर. इसमें आपको सीक्वेंस से बताना है कि क्या क्या हुआ था स्टोरी में. सबसे पहले स्वामीनाथन एंटर्ड द 5th ग्रेड क्लासरूम. सबसे पहले वो एंटर कर रहे थे क्लासरूम में. ही सॉ दैट देयर वाज अ बिग टेल रिटन ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड. फिर उसने देखा कि बहुत बड़ी टेल लिखी हुई है ब्लैक बोर्ड पर. ही गॉट वेरी एम्बैरेस्ड, वो बहुत एम्बैरेस हुआ. एंड स्लैप्ड पी एंड शंकर, और उसने स्लैप कर दिया पी और शंकर को. मनी एंड सोमू टुक देम टू लोनली स्पॉट. यहाँ पे स्पॉट भी आएगा. इंस्टेड ऑफ रिजॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने की जगह उन्होंने फाइटिंग शुरू कर दी. दे स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग. द हेडमास्टर एंड द पियोन पिक देम अप अपार्ट. फिर हेडमास्टर एंड पियोन ने उन्हें अपार्ट कर दिया. Next is B6. Answer the following questions. Do you think Shankar or P had written the word tail on the blackboard? Give a reason for your answer. I think Shankar or P had written tail on the board as both of them were behaving in a suspicious way. While the whole class was giggling, they were pretending to be busy, which is strange and suspicious. Second, how did Swaminathan feel when he saw the word tail written on the blackboard? Swaminathan felt angry, embarrassed and humiliated when he saw the word tail written on the blackboard. B7. Read the following extracts and answer the following questions. First, what is wrong with you, you little rogues? First question, who are rogues? Swaminathan, Shankar and P are rogues. B. Why are they fighting with each other? They are fighting with each other because someone had written tail on the blackboard and Swaminathan thought that it is written by P or Shankar. Where is the fight going on? The fight is going on at a lonely spot in the field adjoining the school. Second, and who dares to talk about Rajam here? A. Who is Rajam? Rajan is Swaminathan's friend and Mani's were enemy. Who talked about Rajam? Swaminathan talked about Rajam and as his classmates teased him as Rajam's tail. How Mani and Rajam are related? Rajam and Mani are swore enemies. इसी के साथ हमारा B7 भी कंप्लीट हो रखा है. नेक्स्ट इज B8. ये एक ही क्वेश्चन है बट अलग अलग पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. डू यू थिंक स्वामी वॉज राइट इन स्लैपिंग पी एंड शंकर? हैड यू बी इन हिज प्लेस, हाउ वुड यू हैव रिएक्टेड? वुड यू हैव इग्नोर द वर्ड टेल ऑन द बोर्ड, laughed along to avoid argument or fight, talk to your classmates and resolve the matter peacefully, complain to your teacher, explain with reasons? तो इसमें आपका आंसर आएगा No, I do not think Swaminathan was right in slapping Shankar and P. Instead of reacting angrily and violently, he should have talked to Shankar and P at a later time and resolved the matter in a peaceful manner. Acting in anger can't solve the matter. The best way to solve any dispute is through decision. Then B9. Value-based question. In Indian culture, the teacher guru is considered next only to God. Do you approve the Somu and Mani's attitude towards the Tamil teacher? How should students behave with their teacher? No, I do not approve Somu's and Mani's behavior and attitude towards their Tamil teacher. They lacked manners and were disrespectful towards him. As students, we should always respect our teachers and seek their help and guidance to find a solution. B10. Find out words from the passage which means the same as the following. You may be unjumble the words given in the aid box to help you. First, to feel confused and ashamed, embarrassed. A place of lawlessness, pandemonium. To laugh softly, giggle. Violent or angry, fierce. Swaminathan told Mani that everyone called him Rajam Steel. This is a idiomatic expression. It means that he always followed Rajam wherever he went like a tail. Given on the next page are some idiomatic expressions. Match them with their meanings and use them in the sentences given below appropriately. Cast a sly look, to look someone cunningly. Sworn enemies, people who can never be friends. Scratch his chin, to think seriously. Raminder and Subhash are sworn enemies. They never even look at each other's direction. The fox cast a sly look at the bird and hid in the bushes. Scratch his chin, the contestant answered the question after a long pause. एक एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन लिखा है और इसको आप पक्का लर्न करके जाइएगा. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो स्टार मार्केट. So, write about your takeaways from the lesson The Tale of a Tale. The lesson The Tale of a Tale gives us many life lessons such as A. We should never act in anger and haste. B. A thoughtless act of anger can lead to a serious problems. C. We should always obey our teachers. D. We should not teach or make fun of anyone. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये आपको हर में याद करके जाना है, हर चैप्टर में. एंड दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. टेकअवेज हर आपको आने चाहिए हर चैप्टर के ही. सो इसी के साथ हमारी बैक एक्सरसाइज भी फिनिश हो चुकी है. थैंक यू सो मच.